go.
Okay, here we are in Leland on the Leelanau Peninsula in northern Michigan, north of Traverse City on the Great Lake Michigan. This is a little inlet that comes in here. Unbelievable little bitty fish town, a must visit if you're up in this area by Traverse City. Traverse City's famous for the Cherry Festival. Leland is famous for all of the great smoked fish and the little fishing town with all the little shops. And we're going to show you around. Hopefully you enjoy this video. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and thanks for watching Leland, Michigan with How to Have Fun Outdoors. We've got a great video for you today on how to have fun outdoors. That's right, FISHTOWN USA, Leland, Michigan. This is a special place just north of Traverse City on the Leelanau Peninsula. Along the Leland River as it feeds into Lake Michigan is this little bitty village called Leland's historic FISHTOWN. Less than 500 people, one of the last working and thriving fishing districts on all of the Great Lakes. That's right. The Native Americans lived here first, but the European settlers arrived in the 1850s, creating this little fish village. And boy, oh boy, is it a beautiful place filled with shops, charter fishing boats, fishing tugs, and a ferry that goes over to the Manitou Islands as part of that Lakeshore National Park in the Sleeping Bear Dunes. And if you haven't watched that video with How to Have Fun Outdoors, definitely check it out. It's a fantastic video. If you're up in this area, you can also camp at Interlochen State Park, Michigan's first park. If you haven't seen that video, check that one out also. But today we're going to show you around this wonderful village and also stop at the Carlson Fishery. That's right, a family business now passed down through 5 generations, opened back in 1904 as one of the shanties along the docks. And throughout the years, the Carlson family has weathered many changes. Government policies, fishing territory adjustments, fishing populations, depressions, recessions, you name it, they stood tall throughout all of this. And today we're going to interview the owner of Carlson Fishery. He hardly ever does interviews, but we're going to get to meet him and he'll tell you all about one of the last standing fisheries in all of the Great Lakes. So lots to see and do here. Unique shops, galleries, cheese shanties, you name it, hat stores. You'll get to see it all in this video. So please subscribe, hit the like button, leave your comments down below, tell us what you think, and for sure, make sure you check out all of our other videos in this region, including Interlochen, the Sleeping Bear Dunes, and then we head north up to Mackinac Island and we stay at the Mackinac Mill Creek Camping, and that is a fantastic campground, one of the best private campgrounds in Michigan. So with that, here you go from Leland, Michigan. Wow, the water is just so crystal clear, huh?
You can see every rock that is at the bottom.
Yeah, I mean, just amazing. Most little harbor inlets, the water is not this clear, but this is pretty remarkable. You can even see the fish down there.
Good.
Wow, you guys got a lot of hats. How many hats are in here?
Oh gosh, too many.
Too many.
Yeah.
So what's the name of the store and how old is it?
It's Diversions.
Yeah?
And my boss has had this store in this location for 40 years.
For 40 years right here in Leland.
Yeah.
So when I was a little boy, I probably came in here.
Probably, yeah.
That is awesome. Well, you guys got the ultimate hat store in a little fish town, so
For sure, yeah.
pretty cool. And your name was?
Sam.
Sam? All right, Sam. We take a look at this video in a couple weeks. You'll see yourself on it.
Awesome.
All right, that's great. Hey, Alicia, how do you like the hat?
It's very good. It fits you perfectly.
I think I got to give up my How to Have Fun Outdoors baseball cap for this nice little Stetson. I think it's a pretty sweet look. right, Elliot, how you doing? They got you working here, huh?
Yeah.
This is a little Carlson's Fisheries.
Yeah.
What do you guys do?
We make sausage. Well, we fillet the fish, all the fish.
You do all the fish, huh?
Yeah.
What's the most popular fish?
Probably lake trout and salmon.
The lake trout and the salmon.
And whitefish.
What's your favorite?
I'd say oh no, they're all really good.
They're all good. All righty, have a great day.
You too.
So they were just saying you're actually one of the Carlsons, so that's pretty awesome because this thing's over 100 years old, right?
It is, yep. Yeah, we were actually, that guy right there is the 6th generation.
That's the 6th generation.
Yep. He's, I'm 5th, he's 6th. So.
No kidding.
Yep.
So that's amazing. And all these other little buildings, you said were all competitors at one time.
Well, they were,
right?
yeah, not necessarily competitors, but we shipped a lot of this was a big commercial fishery. We shipped fish to New York and Chicago and Detroit and other places all over the state. And these were all fishing operations at one point. As the ecology and the business changed, people moved on to doing other things, but we stuck it out. So.
Wow, that's impressive. So 6 generations, and congratulations. You really got a great outfit here. Everybody loves the smoked fish from your place.
Thanks. Yep, we try hard. So.
All righty, take care.
Thanks a lot.
Go.
All right, we're here with Mike, and Mike, tell us a little bit about your operation here, the name of it, how long it's been in business, and what you guys do.
Well, we're Carlson's Fishery. We've been open since 1904. We sell lake trout.
1904.
1904.
1904, over 100 years. How about that?
Yeah. We process a ton of fresh fish, whitefish, lake trout, salmon. We do all the charter fish, floating fish.
Okay.
This is trout coming from the private fishery. Another 3,000 pounds of whitefish. Wow.
So these are all lake trout here?
These are all lake
See
trout.
those, Felicia? Take a look at those.
Wow.
So these guys are splitting. They'll fillet the fish. Comes down to me.
We're doing the hard work.
He does the hard work. Well, he's the owner, you know that.
Just start flicking the wrist.
So, wow, over 100 years old.
Yeah.
And then, so lake trout you do, salmon,
And whitefish. And we smoke about 300 or 400 pounds a day. Wow. And sell most all of that retail. We sell fresh to a lot of the restaurants around here. And just support the fresh stuff over the counter.
one of the things that I've been coming here, I'm 55, and ever since I've been 4 or 5, I stopped in and got the fish sausage. It's hard to find fish sausage.
Yeah,
out
it's
there.
kind of a unique product.
Yeah, it's a great product. And then the only other thing my dad wanted me to find out, what's going on with the smoked chubs? You don't see smoked chubs anymore.
It's been probably, 12 or more years since we've had them.
Yeah.
And nobody can catch them anymore.
Nobody can catch them anymore.
Yeah, it's just kind of gone away. Them used to be around when they'd be doing chucks.
That was my job in the old days. We were chubsters.
Oh, no kidding. So those were pretty good, according to my dad. The chubs were the good eating ones, huh?
Best one, best thing ever. That and 6-pack of beer and you're in heaven.
There you go.
Chubs.
Hey, well, thanks so much, guys. Really appreciate it, and you'll see yourself in a couple of weeks on How to Have Fun Outdoors. All right, guys. Let me give you
Half hour out of the water.
All right, what do you got there?
I wanted a sausage so bad, and Tommy delivered.
Wow, take a look at this. This is from Carlson, where we were just at. Fish sausage.
Wow, Tommy, this is a good sausage.
Good sausage?
Yeah,
All right,
looks
go ahead.
very good.
Taste test it.
Okay.
Here we go. Good?
Oh, yeah.
All right. Awesome. Some fish sausage from Leland, Michigan. What? You got some turkey jerky too.
Homemade.
You're loving this Carlson's.
Oh, yeah. I love fresh stuff and homemade stuff.
All right. All right, we got the local fisherman here from Sutton's Bay. So what's your name?
Eli?
Eli. So tell us what you got going here. You got what kind of lure?
This is the rubber 5-inch jerk shad.
All right.
Looking to catch some bass, pike.
A little bit of everything in here.
Everything today.
You got northern pike in this little inlet,
Yeah.
huh?
Yep, not many, but they come in.
Wow.
Feed, breed.
And then in the fall, any fish come in the fall?
Steelhead come in the fall and in the spring.
Some nice ones?
Yeah, oh yeah. Very
Real good.
nice, super nice.
And then I see they're catching lake trout with the charters here,
Yes,
huh?
Lake trout everywhere, every day.
No kidding.
Yes.
Now, will they bite all summer long, or?
Typically.
Yeah?
Yep.
Wow, that is awesome. Well, good luck, and hopefully you catch some bass.
Thank you.
All righty, take care. All right, here we are with the white-capped charters in Leland, and Alice, you got an interview going here with this guy. You see,
I'm with Captain Jack.
Captain Jack.
Yes, right?
Exactly.
And you gotta like, he's even chartered in Hawaii with the Foxy Lady, so that's pretty cool. But go ahead.
Right, so Jack, what is your specialty? Which type of fish do you get?
Well, primarily here in the last few years it's been lake trout, although we still get some nice salmon out here, but not like we used to over the years. This is my 49th year chartering out of Leland.
Wow, 49th
So
year.
I hope I got a couple.
You started at 5, right?
Well, I wish. But, it's all the fishermen, do a great job out of there. There's 8 or 9 of us that do a really good job, and we help one another, and it's just a great port. I feel very blessed that I was able to get a place in here years ago, and
Yeah.
health-wise.
Yeah,
Wow.
this is a
That's
very
fun.
nice location.
It is.
Yeah.
So Alice just had some of that fish sausage. So when I grew up in Michigan, we used to come up here and get the fish sausage, and that's hard to find. I mean, I've been all over the place, and nobody seems to have that. And these guys have been making it for over 100 years, supposedly. So it's
Well,
pretty cool.
I originally from Midland and moved up here in '78.
Yeah. Yeah.
And in my off season, I worked for Bill Carlson at Carlson's Fishery. And
Yeah.
over the years, Bill would experiment. He started turkey jerky, and then jerky, beef
Yeah.
jerky.
Yeah.
And then he experimented grinding up the fish and making sausage that you had that's so good and it's so popular.
Yeah, it's so good.
Super good.
And a lot of people and a lot of different fisheries all up and down the coast and businesses in Traverse City, wherever, has become very popular.
Oh, is it? So
Yeah.
now it's more common.
Yes.
Okay.
But
All
people
right.
come and they just can't, they just sell it. Daylights out of it.
I finished the whole sausage in 3 seconds.
So Alice's quite the fisherwoman. So next time we're up here, for sure, we're gonna hook up with you and try it out. And you say, you know, we've heard that the lake trout are there's tons of lake trout, huh?
Well, and there are, thank God, or we wouldn't be in business
Yeah.
because the salmon program has kind of went the other way the last 6-8 years. But
Right.
hopefully it'll come back. But the nice thing is lake trout's probably the best eating sport fish that you get out of here.
Okay.
But we'd like to catch salmon all day long.
Yeah.
But they're not here to catch, unfortunately. But the trout are really good.
Yeah. Lake trout are great. That's a great
What
fish.
is the biggest trout that you ever got?
Oh, good question.
Well, the biggest lake trout that I caught out here in hook and line was, over all the years that I've chartered, was just a couple years ago, was 23.5 pounds.
Wow.
Pounds.
The
Yeah.
biggest king salmon was 33.5 pounds.
Wow.
And back about 45 years ago, I caught the state record brown trout, and that's 1976. It was 31.5 pounds.
Wow. A 31.5 pound
We
brown
have
trout.
the-
This guy's a celebrity.
I know.
I think
We have the state record.
he's trying to impress you a little bit too much. I think he's moving in on my woman here. Look at that.
Oh, for sure, I'm gonna choose the state record.
No, that's awesome. Thanks so much for your time. Really appreciate it. And next time you're in Leland, definitely look up the white cap charters. These guys, and there's the phone number. But you got a great captain here with a lot of experience, and
And a really nice boat.
yeah, you got to give him 5 discovery buses, right? I mean, this
Absolutely.
guy knows what he's doing. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
All right,
Hello there. Did you catch any?
Nah, one smallmouth today.
one smallmouth.
Yeah.
It's okay. I'm here to bring you luck.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right, there we go. Let's see if we can get one on.
What I do?
So Alice, we got competition here. These guys got a Class B camper van. What
Yep.
brand do you got?
ProMaster, and it was done by Wayfarer, the conversion.
Wow.
In Colorado Springs.
That's awesome.
Picked it up.
2020, you
Yep,
said?
picked it up in November.
So look at that. We got a fisherman and a Class B. So how do you beat that, right?
Well, I guess we can be friends.
All right. hit the like button, and thank you for watching How to Have Fun
Outdoors!